Get get this normal lost lucky block and this yes. And you need I told them to steal. I told them. I told them to steal. Say, huwag ka mag-open! So guys, today, opening. Okay guys, opening right now. So we got a yin yang one with glitter, 5 rotations. You know this thing. Guys, should I give this guy? Should I give him? Should I give him right now, guys? Slap him. Hey! Ano ba? No! You know what? I'm gonna save the candy lucky. So guys, today we're only opening up this one. Kasi ba? This one. And then we yo. Alessio. Okay, okay. Not bad, not bad. Okay, this. Okay. You don't need them. Yo, what did I get? Cut. Yo. I'm selling that guy. I'm selling it. Sold it. I got it. No, sell it, bro. He's trash. Yes, I got it. Get it. Bombardino. Guys, I'm gonna make other videos. I'm gonna make a, another video that opening this lucky block. Let's go. Yo, steal this gold one. I'm gonna steal some, don't slap him. Open your friends. No. Why? I'm getting this rifles. Of course, I'm gonna get this guy. And by the way, guys, we got a ring rank boost. That bro, still the yin yang one up there. Okay, don't open. Oh my god, I'm not gonna open. Somebody's stealing. That's good. I'm stealing so you got some space. There's also a galaxy, guys. Sabi spawned some crazy things. No. No. Guys, I'm gonna open one of these. Let's see what I get. Please. 6, 7. 6, 7 yin yang. 6, 7 yin yang. 6, 7 yin yang. Oh my god, bro. Tapos na i-open yan, ay na-open pa na. No! We're gonna make another video for that. Open? I opened them. Don't open them. I'm not opening them. Oh my god! No, this, stop this right now. Yeah, yeah, you're so fat! You fat boy! You're so fat! Get back here. No. No, I definitely have it. But guys, we're actually gonna try that one season, so we actually got a union back. Okay. I know. That is not a union back, dude. That's a union boss, but there's another place. There's no mutation. There's one mutation on it. There's only one mutation and broken. Oh my god. The block and wait, what will happen if I put some secrets inside? What do I get? Come on. Oh! I'm not even gonna place it, bro. I'm gonna put it back. Oh, get out of here. Bro, stop placing that. Yo, stop it! What do I get? I can get lost mobiles. Should I do an aura moment? Should I do an aura moment? Oh, what? No! 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 Stop that! What? Well, I got you. I got you. I got you. I got you again. Still got the water. Let's see what he gets. Wow! Why did that go your back? I didn't do anything. Ow! Megatron Reaper. Well, guys, I've only got, and I'm gonna make another video. I'm gonna make another video, okay? The more. I got you for opening. Yes! 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 Bakit? No update in Vegas Evolution! In Secret Vegas! Yes! No, give me some money in Vegas Evolution! Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm stealing. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm licking my face. Ow! Damn, that actually hurt. But guys, thank you for watching, and that's actually pretty boring. I sorry about it. Sorry for wasting your time, guys. Sorry.